gonna be a weekend vlog. Today, what we have to do is I have to go like now to do my eye test. Yes. And then we're gonna go to some activity. My boyfriend doesn't want to tell me where, but and then I will be opening this huge bag from Amazon. So let's get into it. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Then they're gonna say, oh yeah, you need glasses. Oh my god.
Pick up the Tom Ford ones.
Yeah, so you can pay for it, right? And then you got on the tour. Like, what's something?
My left, yeah. And look at the letters. So, other left. Oh, sorry. And what can you see here?
Key, E, and I can't really see the. I can't see the other one.
Can you try any of these letters?
No.
And what about these ones?
Maybe the middle one, N.
Anything else?
No.
Okay, let's switch to your other eye. So, read normally with phone or book. What's the smallest you can see?
I think I can see all
All of them?
Maybe
Okay.
this one is a little bit hard.
That's okay. It's very small.
So BNO.
Good. And now, do you prefer lens 1 or 2, or is it similar? Better 1.
I can see better with the second one.
This is 2.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And do the dots look more round, more defined with 1 or 2?
2.
Okay, but which one is sharper and darker?
And I think I can see better with the green one.
The green is a little better?
Yeah.
Okay.
And up again, and look straight here. And look up to your left.
Okay, however, I forget about yesterday about my eye test. Basically, what they said to me is I need glasses for when I want to look too far away or something like that, and also like for read or driving, those kind of. So my left eye is worse than my right. And yeah, so next month I'm gonna try go again to see if I can buy some glasses and everything, because how I edit a lot videos and everything, I need them. It's okay.
Well, it's one
This is supposed to be Wicklow, right?
Yes, we're in Wicklow. Rathdrum, to be more specific.
For the little activity. I don't know where we are exactly. So, look at that tree. It's giving autumn vibes. Oh my god!
7 of them? 8?
Millie, that's
Hello,
Millie.
Millie.
Yeah.
Are they all related?
No. The birthday party today is mine. She's the one with the blue eyes, and she's called Breeze.
Breeze. Is it?
Yeah.
Breeze.
She's
Breeze.
got blue eyes, yeah. The rest have brown eyes. It's a sort of a type.
Guys, I think we have some reference. Okay, before that, we're just gonna eat something real quick because we're really hungry. I asked for a hot chocolate. And then we go to this activity. What a hot chocolate. Wow. Okay, we eat so now. We're going. Okay, guys, for this activity we need tickets. View tower. Okay, guys, we are really high. Like we're almost touching the
sky.
No, but seriously,
Come on, guys, come here.
I'm not lying. He's definitely crazy.
Bambini.
Dennis, don't. Dennis.
There's 2 wire mesh.
Yeah. Dennis, quick. Jesus. Okay, so we are at this kind of, how would you call this?
A walk with the trees, in the trees, or
A walk in trees.
among the trees. We're walking among the trees. Look at this one. Look how beautiful this tree is.
Ooh. Oh, here.
But if you don't,
Guys, look at that. Yeah, do it. Wow, what a final. Okay, here we go.
it's the climb, like Miley Cyrus.
It's a climb. Oh my god, look at Should we do this? Oh my god, I'm not sure. Like, can we please? Are you really sure?
Yes. The more you ask, the more I'm sure.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
No.
Friends?
Yeah. See, now we're trying to fly that low.
Please, no more activities like this. This is extreme.
For 2.
Okay, we're gonna do it. It's gonna be quick. Don't think about how high it is. It's the normal ones for the kids.
Do you want me to record you, or
No.
I'll record you with my funny phone.
Yeah.
There, so feet in and hands on the strap.
Wait, let me just get my glasses for this.
Okay, it wasn't too bad. I was just dramatic. Dennis, but you know what? It wasn't too bad.
I think it was terrible. Terribly good.
Okay, now we're going to the car. Okay, so as I said, this activity was quite okay. Like, it wasn't too bad, you know? Okay, so now I'm going to do a unboxing.
Are they still here?
Unboxing. I have to show you this what I have bought from Amazon. Okay, so now how we are at home, we're gonna do this little lady. Just look how big it is. I just gonna put my tripod and I show you guys. Okay, when we start opening it. All my life I knew I was going to buy so much clothes and everything in the future, but this I never thought about it, like this kind of things. to be honest. We're gonna start with this one. Much better with this. So okay, so how I'm going to the gym now and everything, I bought 10 of these ones because I want to do those shots like ginger and everything. So I have one for every day. It comes with this, so I can put the liquid here and it's not gonna do any disaster or something. And this, I'm not sure for what is this. Next, let's open the next one. Holy moly. So these ones are like minis for those joggers and everything. So I bought 4. There is a rest. The last one. Okay, so basically the last one is for my lunchbox. So it's this size. It's glass also, and I bought a little one so I can put my breakfast. So it's coming the big one and the little one. 5. So yeah, gonna have to clean all this. We're gonna do carrot cake. I have the recipe here. So 4 eggs.
Enough. Leave it, it's okay. It's under
It's supposed to be 200 something. If it's gonna be
200
double.
grams.
Yeah. If
Oh
it's
yeah,
for
yeah.
double,
Go.
course.
Don't hit the.
Bro. No, it's okay. It's okay. We can put it back. Wait. We have. Okay. So this is gonna be. Okay, just let me try to see.
If you're not, put more eggs.
It's okay. Jesus, you're gonna be into tomorrow.
Make sure it's secure.
Yes, it is.
Okay, good. You're learning. Put up to 4 sometimes.
I did the cars.
I did.
Oh. Okay. It's nice and tight.
Yes, that's good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because they're going to be like small pieces when you put it.
Oh my god, this is gonna be like a birthday
You can
cake.
probably use all of it.
And then here's.
Whoa. Oh my god, it smells so nice.
There's Ireland cookings. Guys, please look at that. Look at that. Okay, so now we're gonna put it into the oven. Bye, little baby. Okay, this is how the cake looks now. See. Now we're gonna put the cream, or how was the name?
Icing. Yeah, I'm pretty more icing.
Wait. Okay, so this is how it looks like, our carrot cake. Let's see what we did. Good. Not bad. That's so good.
I like to taste it without the icing.
Without.
Yeah.
No, I think it's good.
But see how it's supposed to be like this, but then see this? It's supposed to be like this. But this is too much.
Oh my god, I love it.
And you can't taste the olive oil.